Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're doing well. This is going to be really quick because I just realized that Flare is launching today. So this is going to be the Flare demo and review. Now you'll want to definitely be picking up this program because it is going to be so inexpensive to make a ton of money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll the demo for you. Make sure you hit subscribe to the channel. We'll take a look at the demo, and then you definitely want to be grabbing this when it comes out, especially when it's right away. But if you see this at a later date, you definitely want it as well. So let me roll the demo so you can see exactly what it is. This is amazing. Venkata is is a producer, and I have a bunch of his products, and this is going to be another amazing product. So let's roll that video, and here you go.
Guys, I'm totally shocked. I'm still struggling to find the right words to describe this. I will do my best, guys, to explain this to you, but to make it simple, what I'm about to show you is considered to be the easiest way ever to make money over the web. So stop anything that you're doing right now and pay your full attention to this. Guys, how does it sound for you to be able to make money when someone simply performs a click from their mouse? Yes, guys, just a click. But I'm not talking about clicking on a buy button. I'm not talking about clicking on a checkout page either. I'm not talking about making absolutely any type of purchase decision whatsoever. What I'm talking about here is by clicking on an ad. Yes, just an ad. And without spending any money from your part or from anyone who makes the click, which, by the way, that person who makes the click could be anyone in the whole world, and there are no limits on the clicks you can profit from. A lot of clicks means a lot of money. It's as simple as that. And no, guys, I'm not talking about those silly pay-to-click scammy websites which pay 0.0001 or euros or Bitcoin or whatever per click. No way, guys. That doesn't work. That is a total scam. Guys, what I'm talking about here is that you can make not only 20, but 30, 40, 50, 100, 300, or even $500+ for every single time someone clicks. Yes, guys, this is totally nuts. I told you, I have no words to explain this. I know, guys. I know this sounds terribly crazy, but it's a reality. I'm not lying to you. I'm being totally serious with this. This is crazy, but it's true. Let me explain it this way. Do you know why Facebook is free? Being such an awesome and extremely advanced app, it's free for everyone. And do you know how Facebook makes most of its money? Facebook makes its money through advertising. Yeah, businesses pay Facebook money for each and every click someone does on business-sponsored ads, and that is a reality. But Facebook keeps all of the money for them. They don't have any program to share their profit with anyone else like you and me. Did you know Google does the same thing? Yeah, they make lots and lots of money through a program known as Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords. They both make a ton of money simply when someone clicks on an ad. Totally simple, crazy, shocking. Even Microsoft does the exact same thing with what is actually known as Microsoft Ads. But what is the huge difference between Facebook, Google, and Microsoft? Did you guys know Google actually pays you big money for those clicks people make? Yes, guys, that is a reality. That is the huge difference from Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, and Google ads. And today, I'm about to present to you how Google can pay you those crazy high paying clicks with a program known as Google AdSense. To those that don't have a clue about what Google AdSense is, let me tell you, you will be shocked. And to those that already know about Google AdSense, I have something out of this world to show you too, so you better keep watching this video. Okay, now I feel great, guys. I finally can explain to you part of this crazy excitement I have right now explaining this to you. Now, I would like to explain to you how you can make tons of money by applying this knowledge on your behalf. Okay, let's continue. Guys, it's a fact that people are doing AdSense all wrong, and they get paid very little. What if we show you a way to target extremely targeted keywords? Even if you get tiny bits of traffic, you end up making a lot of money. That is the power of what are known as micro-niche blog sites. Set and forget micro-niche blog sites, which take only 5 minutes max to set up. If a blog like that takes 5 minutes to set up and will make you up to $2,000 a year, how many will you set up? A ton of them, right? And I will show you live in this video how to set one up in front of your eyes in less than a minute. So let's do this. There are 4 simple but extremely important secret ingredients you need in order to succeed with Google AdSense. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. Secret ingredient number 2, the right keywords. Secret ingredient number 3, the right content. Secret ingredient number 4, the right traffic. Yes, guys, that is all you need to succeed with Google AdSense. And many of you might be asking yourself all kinds of questions, and also some of you, which already know about Google AdSense, might have so many objections on each one of those secret ingredients. But please, guys, keep watching this video. We have created something so terribly simple but extremely powerful, which can answer all of your questions as well as resolve all of your objections. Guys, let me present you to Flare, the one-stop solution for you to profit not only 20, but 30, 40, 50, 100, 300, or even $500+ for every single click people make. Guys, we will grab you by the hand and show you how to use every one of those 4 ingredients so you can succeed with this. But Flare is not only for Google AdSense. You can use it for any other way to profit online. Flare is so awesome that you will find so many ways to profit online like never before. Let me show you what Flare is capable of doing for you live in front of your eyes. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm inside the Google Keyword Planner, and I'm showing you a pretty small example of a high-paying keyword. Guys, the secret number 1 ingredient, the right topic, it's a step which requires a proven strategy, and we will show you step by step how to find the highest paying AdSense topics. This is a small example here, guys. I will show you inside the Flare Premium training how to find keywords of up to $1,000 CPC. Yes, it's crazy high. And inside the right topic comes the right keywords attached to it, which is secret ingredient number 2, the right keywords. Do you guys know what CPC is? Guys, CPC is the most important thing to consider in the secret ingredient number 2. CPC stands for what advertisers have historically paid to Google per click in order to run Google ads on their behalf. Yes, that is right. They are willing to pay up to $43 to Google per click for publishing ads related to this keyword alone. In our example, B2B list building. And do you know how much Google is willing to pay you if people click on those ads located inside your website if it has content related to that topic? Up to 68% of that. Yes, guys, crazy high. You can make up to $30 per click with this keyword alone. Crazy, 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 right? Secret ingredient number 3, the right content. Guys, for Google AdSense, you need a place to put those Google ads so people can click on them. And now I have a question for those AdSense experts that might be watching this video right now. Did you guys know there are 3 types of sites that have the best quality AdSense revenue? Those types of websites are a blog site, a forum site, and a free online tool site. And besides having a site to place those Google ads, you also need content on them, of course. We consider the first option the easiest one to handle, a blog site, or in other words, a micro-niche blog site. And for those Google AdSense experts watching this video, yes, we know that trending, premium quality, and unique content is required for running AdSense ads on a blog site for better performance. Well, that is the great news we have for you too. Besides giving you the right topic as well as the right keywords, we made it possible for you to create a beautiful looking blog site in any niche you want with trending, premium quality, and unique content in just seconds without writing a single line of text in under a minute. Well, you actually have to type the keyword, but that's all you will do, I promise. Here, I'm inside Flare, and I'm going to create a blog site, and I will publish a post with trending, premium quality, and unique content without writing a single line of text but a keyword, all of it in under a minute. Ready? Start the clock. Let's create a blog about the secret ingredient number 1, the right topic, in our case, list building. Well, the blog has been created, guys, in just a few seconds, as you can see. Crazy quick. Let's create a category as well. Let's call it B2B. That was quick too, don't you think? Let's continue. Let's go over to the poster section to create a post. Let's type our secret ingredient number 2, the right keyword. In our case, we will use B2B list building, which has the potential to pay us up to $30 per click on Google AdSense. And we will research for a trending, premium quality, and unique content video from YouTube, and we will create a post with it in a snap. Yes, guys, what you have seen is the conversion of this trending and premium quality video into text in just a click. And would you like to know if this content is unique? Well, let's find out. As you can see, this content you have here is 89% unique. How cool is that? You can also customize your post as much as you want. If you would like to add AdSense code, you can do so inside the source code, which, by the way, is recommended to use in article ads here. Let's select our website, publish it, select our category, and click on Create Post. Yeah, that was quick too. If you go to the settings area of the blog, you will be able to see your posts listed and even be able to edit them. You can add a custom domain, your AdSense codes as well, the category, and in themes, you can add your logo and fave icon image, as well as customize your legal pages. Let's take a look at our blog site now. And there you have it, your secret ingredient number 3, the right content. You have a blog site with a post with trending, premium quality, and unique content in under a minute by only typing a keyword, ready for you to place some AdSense ads and profit as much as you want. How cool is that? This is what Flair can do for you, but a whole lot more. And what about that secret ingredient number 4, the right traffic? Guys, here, let me show you our traffic monster. Guys, here you have a list of up to 97 high traffic sites where you can advertise your websites with just a few clicks. Guys, here is where people hang out the most, and you can use this tool as well as much as you want. Guys, you have everything you need here. Flair is the tool we need. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this demonstration. The sky's the limit. There is so much potential here. I hope you have already thought of so many ways you can take great advantage of Flair. And remember, we will show you how to find those keywords with a CPC as high as $1,000 per click. Crazy, right? Well, get inside the training and you will see. See you there.
All right, there you guys have it. I am unmuted there. So, did you see? That's amazing. This is what Flair can do. It's just going to be able to go out there and grab content and make amazing content for you where you're going to be able to get clicks on AdSense. If you've never used AdSense before, guys, I check my AdSense every single day. I've got ads on multiple sites, and it's beautiful when you see those like $10 or $20 clicks. It's like, whoa, it's just like, that's really cool just for having that content out there. So definitely go grab Flair. I'm putting together a bonus package for you, so don't worry, you're going to be taken care of. Grab it through my link. I'll take care of it, whatever you need. If you want some one-on-one coaching from me myself, I will put that as a bonus for you. So you'll be able to contact me and we'll sit down and we'll try to figure this out for you and make sure that you're earning money. But again, this has been Glenn Murray. Make sure you hit subscribe. This is my review for the Flair product, Get Flair, whatever. I think it's just called Flair. So this is my Flair review and demo. See you on the next one.